Okay. Good evening, guys. Today is I'm going to clean the caldero. Oh, there have a rice. So I'm going to do this rice to leftover. Then tomorrow we'll be going to feed for my doggy over right there. So I will going to put this rice right there. Wait, there have a napkin. So we're not supposed to be part this because this is not a fed. So only rice and leftover fish bones. Close. Okay. So this inside, this is the garbage. So I'm going to go to the garbage bin to pull out. Oops, you cannot see them because it's so dark. So my garbage bin is little bit far. So this is the garbage bin. I'm going to throw this up. Oops, sorry. And then we're going back inside the house. Okay, so all of this area, oh, these things will be put here because they are going to clean all of these plates because there are too many dirt. uh, there are germs inside. There have a bacteria inside the plate, so it's very hard. I'm going to add some water to caramelize the pulling out the germs because this area will be clean with my mommy over right there. Still checking her status on Facebook. Excuse. God, right. So that is my going to clean this to caldero, or I don't know what is the English of caldero, but in Tagalog is caldero. Is this? I think it's very clean, so I'm going to sit aside there. Okay, nice. Okay. Hey guys, I'm starting to clean these two caldero. Start now.
Hatag mo mayo. Hindi mo mahatag. Hindi wow.
Okay, I think it's done na. So I'm going to relax. Thank you. Bye bye.